Viscofan transfer casings are tailor-made solutions to add value and reduce operating costs for our customers. Their ability to provide colour, aroma and flavours to processed meat or cheese products make these casings a unique alternative for the food industry. There is a wide variety of alternatives available, which can be adapted to the final product application. Caramel providing only colour, smoke providing colour and flavour, and other customised colour and flavour options. Transfer casings are more efficient and provide significant benefits to your business. Let's compare the smoking process with a permeable casing versus a cooking process with a Viscofan transfer casing. The permeable casings have to be soaked for 30 minutes. This step is not necessary with transfer casings. Duct weight after stuffing is the same in both products. We place the products in the oven. The permeable casings have to be dried and smoked before the cooking process, which is not necessary when using transfer casings. Once the whole process is finished, we can see how the transfer casing cooking cycle has saved 4 hours, increasing productivity and yields. In addition, when the smoking of the permeable product is finished, the oven will have to be cleaned. This is not the case with the transfer casing process. Now we weigh both products again and see that the permeable casing product weight has decreased by 14%. The advantages of transfer casing are obvious. Save costs, avoids water and weight loss, faster and easy production process, more hygienic processing, energy saving during cooking cycle. This manufacturing process is more environmentally responsible. On one hand, we reduce CO2 emissions and waste of water. On the other, we improve food safety and increase efficiencies with a more sustainable process. Aroma, colour, taste and excellent product protection in a new generation of innovative casings in the industry. The result is a product that perfectly adapts to new consumption habits and consumer trends, including low carbohydrate, high protein and easy to prepare meals.